So we got the fire trucks. We got my mom. We got Ricky here. We're here waiting. Stupid. The emergency is going on.
Number one, Chastad, hit me up if you need anything.
We're out here in the cold. And then work tells me I gotta go around 9 o'clock. There's no way now I can't go out at 9 o'clock because I gotta wait to make sure this place is secured. That's stupid. They really don't care about us. I hope y'all doing all right because this morning is already full of wonderful events going on.
Wonderful events.
Everybody's in their cars.
I'm goofy, you know.
Everybody's, So let me turn around. So we're here waiting for it to be okay to go to the premises. It's not bad. I mean, I'm well clothed, but still, you hear all that shenanigans, all that noise? It's just loud. We all thought that it was a fire, but apparently it's not. I don't know. Ricky, what are your thoughts? What do you think? You think it's a fire? Nah, he's trying to be camera shy. That's not the way my brother works. So they just told us that they're going to turn off all the water.
Órale, gracias. Se van a cortar la agua. Aquí pues ya se la van a reventar, lo que nadie no sabe.
Okay, so like I said, they're gonna turn off the water on our end. So we're going back inside. Sorry if I'm not looking at y'all because I'm trying to be careful and walking on this ice. What a great morning, everybody. Yay. I'm so happy. I'll say this. I'm happy to be alive. I'm not happy to hear all this shenanigans. I mean, I don't know what else to do. Thank you, yeah, like I said, now we inside, no alarms. So look at my hair looking all crazy. As much as I don't want to call in, I guess I'm gonna have to go to work. And kid you not, just walking out there is slippery, it's wet. The fire trucks are here, and like I said, anybody that lives at Sienna Point, I guess from this building, I don't know if it's going to be all of them, they said they will turn off the light. The water. So we do have light, fortunately. We have heat. We're still good like that. But that water, though, is not going to be good. So y'all get ready for them cold showers. Y'all thinking you're a little frisky. Y'all gonna have to take a little cold shower. You know what I'm saying? I'm just laughing because I'm like, my goofy ass is gonna go out there, go to work still. They still want us to go to work. I guess they're gonna be working on it. There it goes again. Who would have thought, right, that we're going to be under these, distress signals and, with this whole snow situation? Blows my mind. But I just want to let y'all know, y'all be safe out there. Well, I guess since I'm on video, since I'm live right now, in all seriousness, we should thank the Lord that we all alive. We're okay. Okay.
Yeah, pero, yeah.
So, yeah, I gotta get, like I said, ready for work. Thank goodness the alarm went out. Like I said, just be grateful, man, that that we're good. Trying to see. I think they're still messing with it. Okay. Woo. So sorry. Yeah, probably can't see me. It's just so noisy. But we're gonna do a prayer. I think I'm gonna do it at work. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay safe, please. I'm already used to the noise, but y'all stay safe out there, okay?